Have you ever wondered why some of the healthiest and longest living populations in the world practice intermittent fasting? What if I told you that the science behind this ancient practice has been validated by Nobel Prize-winning research? Today, we're diving deep into the benefits of intermittent fasting, backed by the groundbreaking work of Japanese scientist Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi. Stay tuned to uncover how fasting can transform your health, boost your longevity, and even help you lose weight. In 2016, Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi, a Japanese cell biologist, won the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for his discoveries on autophagy, a cellular process that literally means self-eating. But what does autophagy have to do with intermittent fasting? Everything. Autophagy is the body's way of cleaning out damaged cells and regenerating new ones. Think of it as a cellular recycling program. When you fast, your cells are deprived of their usual energy source, glucose. In response, they begin to break down and recycle old, damaged proteins and cellular components. This process is crucial for maintaining cellular health, preventing diseases, and even slowing down aging. So, how does intermittent fasting trigger autophagy? When you fast for 12 to 16 hours, your body exhausts its glucose reserves and starts burning fat for energy. This metabolic switch activates autophagy, allowing your cells to repair and regenerate. Dr. Ohsumi's research showed that this process is essential for preventing neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, cancer, and even infections. But the benefits of intermittent fasting go beyond autophagy. Let's break it down. Number 1. Weight loss and fat burning. When you fast, your insulin levels drop, and your body starts burning stored fat for energy. This not only helps with weight loss but also improves insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Number 2. Improved brain function. Fasting increases the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor or BDNF, a protein that supports brain health, enhances memory, and reduces the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Number 3. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to many diseases, including heart disease and cancer. Intermittent fasting has been shown to reduce inflammation markers in the body. Number 4. Longevity. Studies on animals have shown that fasting can extend lifespan. While human studies are ongoing, the cellular repair mechanisms triggered by fasting suggest it could have similar effects. Japan, the country with one of the highest life expectancies in the world, has long embraced practices that align with intermittent fasting. The traditional Japanese diet, rich in fish, vegetables, and green tea, combined with mindful eating habits, supports cellular health and longevity. Dr. Ohsumi's work has only reinforced what Japanese culture has known for centuries, that less can indeed be more. Intermittent fasting isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. It's important to find a fasting schedule that works for you, whether it's the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, or the 5/2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict calories for 2 days. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any fasting regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Intermittent fasting isn't just a diet trend, it's a lifestyle backed by cutting-edge science. Thanks to the work of Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi, we now understand how fasting can activate autophagy, repair our cells, and protect us from disease. Whether you're looking to lose weight, boost your brain power, or simply live a longer, healthier life, intermittent fasting might just be the key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more science-backed health tips. Have you tried intermittent fasting? Let us know your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health is your greatest wealth.